Okay, welcome back. What I want to continue with is electrons and charge, and this is electron and charge session 2. Okay. All right. That's just the review that we've looked at previously on a number of occasions. Okay. I'm sure you're all be familiar with that by now. Let me just pan in. Pan back out so we can make sure it's there. Electromotive force, or EMF, is the name given to the force which pushes the electricity around a circuit. Current can flow when there is something to push it around. A battery or cell has an EMF, so do alternators and dynamos. Okay. Effects of an electric current: chemical, magnetic, and heating. Okay. Chemical effect. When an electric current passes through an electrolyte, a liquid that allows ions, electrically charged atoms, to move freely across it, it breaks down, and hydrogen ions, positive, are collected at the cathode. Sulfate ions, negative, are collected at the anode. The anode and the cathode are just two dissimilar metals. Okay. The passing of the current through the electrolytes is called charging. The density of the electrolyte is reduced when a cell gives out a current. The density of the electrolyte is restored when the cell or battery is recharged. The instrument for measuring the level of charge is a hydrometer, and it means the specific gravity of the electrolyte. Here we have a single cell. Anode, cathode. Okay. If a load is connected between the plates, then the current will flow from the anode to the cathode. Okay. The delivery of current to the load is called charging. Types of cell. Batteries are a collection of cells. There are two types of cell in general use: primary, which is only used once and cannot be recharged; secondary, which can be recharged. There are two types of secondary cells: lead acid and alkaline. Now, allow for the fact that due to development in changes and regard to the environment, there may be other types as well. So do your own groundwork and look into it for yourself. Okay? Secondary cells, the energy supplied from a cell is sufficient only for a limited time, as the chemical qualities of electrolyte deteriorate with use. When batteries are being charged, hydrogen is given off, and care must be taken to avoid explosions. Alkaline cells. There are two types of alkaline cells in use: nickel iron and nickel cadmium. Both are housed in a metal case, and the electrolyte is caustic potash. The plates are separated by insulated rods and mounted in non-metallic crates to insulate the cells from each other. Advantages of an alkaline battery: strong and can withstand vibration, can be left in any state of charge for long periods, can stand overload without damaging plates, etc. Disadvantages: costlier than lead acid. Direction of current flow could flow away from me, and those are your magnetic fields, or could be created. And over here we have a laminated transformer sheet, and it's just showing you the windings and the direction of flux or current flow within the transformer. This is our magnetic field. That's the flow of current. Okay, it's a step down transformer. Okay, you can see that by the number of incoming windings in respect of the outgoing windings. Okay, when an electric current passes through a conductor, a magnetic field appears around it. The magnetic field increases when the wire is formed into a coil. If the coil is wound on an iron core, the iron will become magnetized. Heating effects. When current passes through a conductor, there is resistance to that flow of current. The combination of resistance and current flow produces heat. This is a bimetallic strip, okay, showing two dissimilar metals, and this is used in your thermostat in regards to your oven, okay. You become a thermocouple. The similar metals will produce a small voltage, microvolts, when heated. This is then can be used to control the oven. Okay. I'm just recapping as I go back, okay? Just making sure that I got everything in view. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.